What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? It sounds like nothing, just 5 seconds, right? But in reality, those 5 seconds would be enough to completely change our world, forever. Let's dive into this mind-bending scenario. Right now, as you watch this, Earth is spinning at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. We don't feel it, because everything around us, the oceans, the air, the buildings are moving at the same speed. But imagine if, in an instant, the planet just stopped turning. The ground beneath your feet would stop, but you wouldn't. You'd still be moving at that incredible speed. Think of it like driving a car at full speed and slamming the brakes without a seatbelt. Only this time, the car is Earth itself. If Earth stopped spinning for 5 seconds, everything not firmly attached to the ground would keep hurtling forward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, cars, buildings, trees, oceans, even people. Entire cities would be ripped apart as objects flew eastward with unimaginable force. Skyscrapers would collapse. Highways would look like war zones. And oceans? Huge tsunamis, thousands of meters tall, would form as water surged out of its normal path. But then, after 5 seconds, the Earth would suddenly start spinning again. This double shock, first the stop, then the restart, would make the devastation even worse. And it's not just the ground. The atmosphere, the layer of air that surrounds our planet, is also spinning with Earth. If the Earth stopped, the atmosphere wouldn't. The winds would suddenly roar at thousands of kilometers per hour, stronger than any hurricane ever recorded. These winds would flatten anything left standing. Meanwhile, earthquakes would shake the crust, volcanoes might erupt from sudden pressure changes, and massive fires could break out as friction heated the land. So, would anything survive? Probably not on the surface. But deep underground, in caves or bunkers, some life might endure. Sea creatures living far below the ocean could be spared the worst. And tiny bacteria, of course, would continue life as usual. In short, 5 seconds would be enough to erase most of human civilization from the surface of Earth. Luckily, there's no force in the universe that could simply stop Earth's spin like that. Our planet has been turning for billions of years, and it will keep turning for billions more. But thinking about it shows just how fragile life really is, and how much we depend on forces we don't even notice every day. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember, Earth keeps spinning, and that's the only reason we're still here.